Boycott China. It is the word buzzing around in India. What's this about? How can we support it? And how it affects the smartphone world? Let's check out. The issue started when there was a fight between the China and Indian soldiers resulting in death of 20 Indian soldiers. So for the patriotism of the country, the Boycott China slogan was initiated. So now let's check out how it will affect the smartphone industry. The majority of smartphone share in India is of the Chinese brand. Xiaomi is the top selling budget category smartphone, whereas OnePlus takes the premium phone category. Other than that, Vivo, Oppo are also the part of BBK Electronics owned by the Chinese company which is having the shares in Indian market. If you check the graph, it is ridiculously apart from Samsung and Apple where there is no other brands have seen such a success in India. It's mostly because those companies are offering better value for money. So now, what happens if we boycott China? That's a double-edged sword. Hear me out. If this boycott became widespread, then the smartphone from Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo, OnePlus, Lenovo, and some other companies will not be able to sell in India. It gives a huge dent for the Chinese company as no revenue will be generated. But let's think practically. Which are the alternatives? Samsung and Apple. These two will be the most benefited as the demand of this smartphone will be increased and Apple will dominate again in the premium category. There will be no competition where it is actually bad for us customers. There are practically no alternatives other than these two. Just check these which are top 10 Indian companies. Are you kidding? Zolo, Carbon, Micromax? Come on. When did they release the last smartphone? And the irony is that some of these Indian companies source the manufacturing from China. Though Xiaomi and OnePlus are Chinese company, they are made in India. They have their manufacturing plant in India. So, if boycott China is widespread, it might result in shutting down the manufacturing by which unemployment may be increased. It will be inversely affect to India. Let's dive deep into it, shall we? Components for smartphone such as display, processor are all sourced from China. Apple, the biggest smartphone maker, is also manufacturing in the China. The other companies, LG, Google, use Qualcomm chipsets which are also manufactured by the TSMC owned by China. The only company which is independent of China is Samsung. It has its own manufacturing of chipset, display, RAM and other components. The Chinese dominates the smartphone world. That's the sad truth. But how can we support it? Boycott China. It's difficult to boycott smartphone all at once as there is no better alternatives. If we throw the used gadgets, it will just hurt our pocket as you have already purchased it and the money has been sent to China. So better solution is to support the new companies. OnePlus started 6 years back as a small company but now it rules the world. Like that, some new companies need to emerge and replace the Chinese product in India. But it won't be easy. It requires lot of budget and time. But the only thing we can do is buying the alternatives. Sacrifice today for better tomorrow. Thank you.